Good morning, friend. Today we are doing chapter 14. So last two lectures already we have complete related with the chapter 14. So in chapter 14, name of a lesson is statistic. We have completed the topic related with the mean. Today we are discussing topic mean for step deviation method. So already we know that we have completed two lectures related with the mean. One is called direct method, another is called assumed mean method. So there are three methods to find out mean. To find out mean, there are three methods. One is direct method, in which we have to do directly fi xi. In another method, that is called assumed mean method. So deviation d on that time we are taken. Now today's topic related with the step deviation method. This is the third method and it is easy. First and second and then third. But third method is easy. While you are doing all three methods, in first method you will see that fi xi and calculations are big. While in assumed mean method, some calculations are small, but in step deviation method, if you see calculation, all calculations are short. So not a big digits are there, but the nana digits are also. Now we have to start it. First of all, we have to discuss about the formula. So step deviation method formula is what? First, x bar is equal to a plus h. So first of all, we have to know what is the meaning of h. The h is class size. Generally, when we are finding how we can finding the class size, different between upper and low. So x bar is equal to a plus h in bracket sigma fi ui. So we know that fi is frequency. But here new term that is called ui. How we can find out ui? Ui is equal to xi minus a upon h. So we know that xi. What's the meaning of xi? We can say mid value. Mid value. Mid value. How we can find out the mid value? 10 plus 25 divided by 2, that is 17.5. So x bar is equal to xi minus a upon h. That is our xi. Ui is equal to xi minus a upon h. H is called class size. Now already we have completed two sums related with the assumed mean, and that sum is same. If you will see, the digits are same. But this sum we again do by step deviation method. If you will see the past lectures properly, then you will see that x bar is every time 62 by two different methods. One is called direct method and another is called assumed mean method. In both we can get same answer 62. Now we have to do it by third method, that is called step deviation method. So what are the steps to find out the answer? We have to start from here. 10, that is class, that is always given in question. And frequency, it is also given in question. What we have to find out? We have to find out xi, afterward ui, then ui. In past lecture, you will see class is same, frequency is same, xi is same. Here we are finding di, that is called deviation. So how we find that di? Di is equal to xi minus a on that time. But now by using deviation at here, deviation by h, we can find out ui. How can we find out the ui? Ui is deviation, that is xi minus a divided by h. Then we are doing fi di in assumed mean method. Here we are doing fi ui. In your textbook there is a one sum in which we have to do the sum by all three methods, that is direct, assumed and step deviation. So if you will see properly, we are doing it is easy. Class given frequency period find out the xi. How we can find out xi? Again, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. 10 plus 25 divided by 2. That is 17.5. 25 plus 40 divided by 2. 40 plus 25, 65, 65 divided by 2, that is 32.5. After all, what I am saying to you, you have to find out the difference between these. Difference is 15. So go through 15. 32 plus 15, 47.5. 47.5 plus 15, 62.5. 62.5 plus 15, 77.5. 77.5 plus 15, that is 19.5. So that is our xi. How we can find out dy, that is important. So what we have to assume? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 observations are there. N by 2. Class, how many classes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 classes are there. 6 divided by 2 means third class. So 1, 2 and third. Xi we have to assume is a. What I have to assume? 8 here. So make the right here. Every time whatever you assume a, ui always must be 0. Ui is always 0. How you will say that ui is 0? Ui is equal to xi minus a upon h. So here h is one's class size. Now how much class size is there? If you will see every time 15 is there. Class size is every time 15 is there. So class size 15. So again here we have to put 0. Now we will see one calculation how we get 0 right here. We have to see the calculation. xi that is here 47.5 minus 47.5 divided by 15, that is 0. Here what I will get minus 1. How we can get minus 1? Xi 62.5 minus 47.5 divided by 15. 62.5 minus 47.5, that is 15. 15 divided by 15, answer is 1. So we have understand that whenever we are doing assuming method, always remember wherever there is a, you have to put 0 in ui. In ui you have to put 0. And in upper side always minus 1 minus 2. How we can get minus 1? Again I am explain. How we can get minus 1? We can calculation at here. We can calculate here. ui is equal to xi. So if you will see that xi means 17.5 minus a, that is 47.5 divided by h, that is 15. Now if you calculate you will get minus 30 divided by 15, you will get minus 2. That is why minus 2. But no need to make calculation. Always remember, whenever you are doing assuming method, on that time you have to put a is equal to 0 in ui. Minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2 and 3. Now you put fi ui. If I will multiply fi ui, then 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4. Mostly students are doing mistake 17.5 into 2, that is long. What you have to do? 50 fi into ui. 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 7 into 0, 0. 6 into 1, 6. 6 into 2, 12. 6 into 3, that is 18. Now here these are all the negative. So you can say minus 7. These are all the positive. So plus 36. Plus 36 minus 7, we can get 29. So here fi ui, we can get 29. Sigma fi, that we have to total it. That is sigma fi is equal to 30. H we know that difference 15 class size. Now we have to put in the formula. X bar is equal to a plus h sigma fi ui into a. So x bar a is equal to 47.5. So I have to put 47.5 plus h. H means difference, that is 15 into 29, that is 29, divided by H, divided by, multiply by H, that is 15 divided by sigma, therefore that is 30. If you calculate, you can get 60.62. So 3 methods already we have completed, and every time we can get same answer, that is 62, 62, 62, either by direct method, either by assuming or by step deviation method. But easy is, if you will see all three sum properly, easy way is step deviation method. Now one more sums I will explain from text, that is exercise 14.1 question number 6. We have to see that we can get perfect answer by this method or not. So one more sum I have to explain so you can understand better. Now, first, what we have to write, that is class. So your class is given 100 to 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250, 250 to 300, and 300 to 350. Now what I have to write, frequency, that is 4, 5, 12, write 0, 4, 0, 0, 2, or 0, 2, that we can get easy calculation and correct calculation. So 9, 19, 12 plus 9, 21, and 4, that is 25. So sigma F5 is equal to 25. It's exercise 14.1 question number 6. We have to do it by all three different methods. So now xi, how we can find out xy? 100 plus 150 divided by 2, so 125. Again 150 plus 200, 350, 350 divided by 2, 170. So what is the difference now? If you will see, the difference is 50. Every time you will see difference is 50. So I have to again write 225, 275, and 325. Always different. Your xi must be between your class limit, that is lower class and upper class. It is between lower class and upper class. Now ui. So first of all we have to assume a, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So at middle we have to assume a. Now here we have to write 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1 and 2. Now 4 into 2, that is minus 8. 5 into 1, that is minus 5. 12 into 0, that is 0. 2 into 1, that is 2. 2 into 2, that is 4. Now we have to add this. Minus 30. Here it is minus 30. Here it is plus 6. So you will see that calculation is too much small in step deviation method. So minus 3 plus 6, that is minus 7. Now what I have to do? Again I have to use this formula to get answer. Which formula we have to use? That is called step deviation method, and formula is x is equal to a plus h. So now generally to get half marks in exam you have to write this formula first. Afterward you have to, whatever given that you have to write, means a, that is we have taken, that is 225, that you have to write. H, let's, what is the class length? If you will see 50, so I have to write 50. Now sigma Fi, again I have to write. Now I have to put all this value, and we have to get the, we can get x bar. So formula is x bar is equal to a plus. So x bar is equal to e. So you have to assume 225. Afterward h, what is h? That is 50 plus 50. H formula is plus h 50 into sigma Fi ui, that is minus 7. Here it is in form of multiplication. And 50. H is equal to, sigma alpha, that is 25. Now, don't 225 plus 50, don't do like that, that is wrong. What we have to do? X bar is equal to 225 minus 25 to so 14. So 201. So X bar is equal to 211. So that is one example that we have completed. This exercise 14.1 question number 6 that we have completed, and we can get step by step derivation method. Answer is 211. If you will do same sum by direct method or assuming method, you will get answer 211. But in direct method, if you will see FIXL, so 125 into 4, 175 into 5, 225 into 4, you will get big calculation. When you are multiplying, you can make a mistake. And when you are doing by assuming, that is by DI, again big terms are there, and calculation is more. While in this step derivation method, calculation is too much small. So it is more suitable to find out every time mean by step derivation method. Now in next lecture we continue to find out the unknown frequency, because in one more type of sums we have today. This is the third lecture, because 3 already lecture we have completed: direct method, assume and step derivation. Now we want to discuss about the unknown frequency. So don't forget to watch the next video related with the unknown frequency. That is sufficient. So you have to complete your exercise 14.1, because all sums related with the direct, assume and step derivation related with the mean. Thank you.